Central European node. It means we are covering Poland, Czech Republic and Slovakia. I'm from Czech Republic, and I arrived to Azerbaijan a little bit late because of some duties at my university. So I didn't see too much from your city, from Baku, but I see, according to these walls, it's a nice historical place, and I want to stay a few days more after conference. So I would like definitely to see your city and also some parts of Azerbaijan if possible, maybe mountainous area, because I like mountains very much. And also I am happy to be here because of Millennium Project Planning Committee meeting and also because of Baku Futures Forum. Most of our meetings, I mean meetings of Millennium Project, were organized in the United States and Canada. So it's really nice to be in different region, in different part of the world, in Azerbaijan. And I see it's perfectly organized, and my great thanks to Reyhan and all organizers of this meeting.